Standalone applications. Guys, observe carefully. What type of applications can we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. Then immediately I'm getting a question. What is standalone application? What is the meaning of standalone application? Answer is very clear. Not enterprise application, not too much complex application. Standalone applications are very simple applications. What exactly the definition of the simple application or standalone application? Observe carefully. I'm going to give definition or try to put more consternation, guys. I'm going to give definition to you, not try to put more consternation. Everybody. If we design and execute, if we prepare and execute any application, guys, understand it now. If we prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture, what? Without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over the multiple machines, then that application is called multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Right? Now try to read out the statement what I have given there. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing the application logic over the multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Put more concentration. Just I'm going to give a simple diagram for it. Observe carefully. Without using client server architecture means that prepare your complete application in a single computer. Don't use multiple machines. Don't use 2 computers, 3 computers. Use a single computer. That's nice. This is my computer. Use single computer. This is my computer. And one more point I'm telling to you. Today onwards, I don't want to use the terminology like computer. I want to use the terminology like what their mission, or it may be. Okay, today onwards, I'm going to use the terminology a mission, not a computer. Why? Because Java is not only for computer. Java meant for all the electronic devices, all the mechanical devices, all the like electrical devices. Everywhere Java is available. That's why I want to say a device, or I want to say a mission, or I want to say what they're a computer. Anything is equal. We can understand it clearly. So this is my computer, or maybe this is my mission. In this total, in this single mission, within a single computer, I'm going to prepare my total application, my complete application. My total application is distributed over a single mission, not over multiple missions. Observe carefully. This is what I'm telling to you, application. This is my application. There only I'm going to prepare the complete logic. This is my program. Here only I'm going to provide my complete logic, application logic. Not only that, in the same computer, I will compile my program. In the same computer, I will execute my program. In the same computer, I will provide input to data to my program. In the same computer, I'm able to get output data from my program. Everything is going on in a single computer. Everything is going on in a single computer. This type of application is called a standalone application. This type of application is called what there? A standalone application. That's it, not more than that. To prepare the standalone applications, we are going to use J2SE. To prepare the standalone application, we are going to use what there? J2SE. That's it. Very, very simple content. To prepare the standalone applications, we are going to use what there? J2SE. All of you are following my points now? All of you are comfortable? All of you are getting clarity on this? Nothing, sir. Just the fundamentals of the fundamentals I'm discussing with you now. Just try to put more concentration. Next 3 to 4 classes, just we have to understand my terminology. Not more than that. Concept was very simple. But the path what I'm giving, that is very, very important. We are in a different tracks at present. In the first 2 to 3 days of time, I'm trying to bring all of you into my track. Once we are in my track now, we will run. But now I'm walking. You have to walk along with me. That's it. Once we are in a track now, we will go for a race totally. Okay, right. Let's move on to the point. All of you are getting clarity. What is a standalone application? Tell me, what is standalone application now? Come on, what is a standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Indirectly, what I'm telling now, if we prepare and execute any application in a single computer, in a single machine, then that application is called what there? A standalone application. To prepare the standalone applications, fundamentals of the Java is sufficient. No need to go for too much Java content. Just only basics of the Java are sufficient. That's the response here. Okay, sir, I understood what is a standalone application. But tell me some examples for it. Tell me some examples for the standalone applications. I want to know that. All right, observe carefully. I'm going to give some examples to you. This is my computer, or maybe this is my laptop, where calendar is available. Am I right or not? Calendar. If I open that calendar, I'm able to get the total calendar dates and time and everything I'm able to get. It is also an application. Remember this. That calendar is an application inside my computer. To execute that application, to open that application, I don't require even network. I don't require even like what their client server architecture. I don't require even to distribute application logic over multiple machines. Even network is not required. Automatically that calendar care we are able to get. Am I right or not? Everybody understand my point here now? Okay. So calendar is an example here we have to understand. Next one is after that. Now after this calendar, next one is what there? Calculator app is available or not? In our missions, calculator is also an application or not? To utilize that calculator application, we don't require even network connection. You don't require even multiple missions. You don't require even like a client server architecture. In a single computer, just if we search for calculator, automatically that calculator here we are able to get. It's also an application that is running in a single mission. As an example for what there, that is standalone application. Not only that, now I'm using paint brush application. At present, I prepared some diagrams here, right? So this is a paintbrush actually. This app is a paintbrush. This is also an application here. This is also like what there, a standalone application. It is running in a single computer. It is not required. It doesn't require client server architecture or a distributed environment. It doesn't require server side environment. In a single computer, the total application is running. So these are the various examples for what there, standalone applications. Nice. Up to that, it's okay, guys. Now it's okay, fine. Now, my question is, how many applications are standalone applications in outside software industry? In outside software industry, hundreds, lakhs of applications are available. Lakhs of billions and billions of software applications are available. Every day, number of new applications are creating. But out of all these applications, how many applications are standalone applications? No. If we come for this point, answer is very clear. Only 5% of the applications are the standalone applications. Come on, how many applications are standalone applications? Now tell me. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Remaining 95% of the applications are not standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Immediately we are going to have a doubt in our mind. Even if you are not having doubt, I'm creating the doubt. But actually you have to get a doubt immediately. But by seeing your faces, I'm not getting confirmation for it. Anyway, I'm explaining that out also. Sir, here you are saying that only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone application. That means J to SE is what there? Utilization is only 5%. No? That means only 5% of the applications are standalone applications in the sense my job opportunity is also be 5% in outside. No? The job requirement is also be 5% in outside. No? Companies are required only 5% of the employees for standalone applications actually in outside market. That means my opportunity level is also 5%, no? Because of that 5% of the application development, now I'm learning this Java programming language. Is it a right option to select Java programming language at present for me? Are you understanding my question now? Actually, standalone applications are only 5% now. Only 5% because of that 5% of the applications. Now we am learning the Java programming language. Then what about my job opportunity level? Opportunity percentage in outside. If I learn Java programming language, is that only 5%? Then immediately may get this kind of doubt now. But I'm giving clarity for you. Observe carefully. Listen carefully. J2SE, right, sir? Its a direct utilization is only 5%. No doubt for that. Core Java, I'm talking there. J2S in the sense core Java. Blindly we can understand. Core Java direct utilization is what there? 5% only. But it's a dependency level. Its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Everybody, put more concentration. Its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Sir, what is this mathematics today? At one side you are saying that 5%. Now it is 1000%. I heard about it. Max 100%. No, but you are saying 1000%. Yeah, what is this mathematics now today? Yeah, I'm going to give some clarity now. Try to understand it now. What's the point I said to you? It's a direct utilization is what? 5%. But what I said to you, its dependency level is what there? 1000%. No, but how it is now? I'll give one small story. Now try to understand it now. Like you, might be some students are very innocent. Let's assume it. One student just he completed graduation, maybe BSc or maybe BTech or maybe MC or whatever it may be. Some graduation he completed. Just he completed. Just he completed. Then he's thinking about it next. What next? After completion of college, what next? Might be asked some people there, those are already working in companies. Then what I have to do as the next step? Then they're given some information to him. Go to Hyderabad, and their Amirpet is there. They're join with some institute, learn some technology. After completion of that, have trials in software companies, then he will get job. This is the process somebody else has given now. Directly, he has taken bus or train, whatever it may be, came to Hyderabad, he came to Amirpet, he joined with the hostel. After that, there is a question mark. What is that question mark? What I have to learn? I think some of you are connected with me, right? Fine. What I have to learn? Now this is a junction now. Then in a hostels maybe, or in outside maybe, or maybe in some well wishes maybe. Okay, now I am at Amirpet now. What I have to learn? Now tell me, suggest me some technology. Which technology is very good at present? No, give that information, then I will learn it immediately. Within 2 months of time, I want to get job. The temptation will be very good at starting 10 days of time. Okay. Somebody else might be given information to him. You can take any technology, but don't take Java programming language. Some people might be given this kind of suggestion. No? Take any technology, but don't take Java. Why? Because Java is too much technical. It's too much lengthy. You are unable to complete it. Moreover, the student mindset is also what in BTech no. Myself is not good in programming now. So I don't like to go for programming. Already in a college, like what I'm telling, the labs might be, your faculty might be giving some irritation kind of approach to you. In the labs, maybe all. By seeing the total environment, program is totally far away from me. So I don't want to go for programming part. So I want to go for a simple technology. Within few days after I want to complete it. In the next week, I want to get job. With the company ID card, I want to go to my hometown. This is a plan. With that plan only, he came to Hyderabad. Already this kind of session was provided by somebody else, no? Then he asked her there, okay, not Java. I understood that. Tell me the technology. What I have to learn? He might be given suggestion is what there. Better to go for Salesforce nowadays. No, it's getting somewhat demand. Definitely, easily we can complete it. Easily we will get the job. Then that innocent student, what he will do? He will search for an institute where Salesforce training is going on. He went for the demo class. In the demo class, might be the trainer has started that Salesforce introduction and everything. At the end of the session, he used to put a heading like what? Prerequisites to learn a Salesforce. Prerequisites to learn a Salesforce. What has given information? If you know Java, then only come to the Salesforce. Otherwise, don't come to the Salesforce. Why? Because that Salesforce is a tool designed on the top of the Java. If you know Java, it's simple to understand Salesforce. Otherwise, you will not understand it. Then what that innocent student is thinking, all right, don't like Java. I want to come far away from Java. That's why I selected Salesforce. But this trainer has given information like what? Salesforce is a dependency for what there. Java is a dependent programming language for Salesforce. No, even I don't like Java. Now I don't like Salesforce also. Came out from the demo class. Again, he's in a junction. Again, he's inquiry about some other technology, some other course there. All right, sir. Now, observe carefully. He inquired about other technology. Some other person has given information to him. Alright, then don't go for Salesforce and Java. No, there is another technology. Easily we can complete it. Now it is what there. Selenium testing. If we complete it now, then within 40 days we will finish it. In the next week you will get job now. Then try to complete it. Then again, that innocent student might be searching for an institute where say Selenium testing tool. The training is going on there. He went for the demo class. There, before starting the introduction of the Salesforce, again the same story. If you want to understand that Selenium tool, you must know Java programming language. Then only you can continue with the Selenium testing. Again, what is the status of the student? No, all right, don't like Java. That's why I came for what their Salesforce. But their Salesforce is dependent on Java. Because of that reason, I'm coming for what I came for what their Selenium testing tool. But it is also dependent on Java. So what I have to do now, I can come outside of the demo class and I can thinking about some alternative. Somebody else might be given information there. Nowadays, big data analysis is getting very good job. No, Hadoop is having very good demand there. Try to complete and come outside. You will get job immediately. Again, he will go to some Hadoop training center. There he will end for, he will go for what there, like what their Hadoop like introduction classes there. But unfortunately, the trainer has given information like what there. If you want to understand Hadoop, again you require Java. There again we require Java if you want to understand Hadoop. Again is coming outside now. Then still searching for some alternative there. Somebody else has given information there. I forget about all these technologies. No, nowadays mobile platform is getting very good demand. Mobile application development is having very good demand. Better to learn Android technology. Android platform. What is going on there? Again, you may go for what there? Demo class. No, in the demo class, what is the bomb blast? No. If you want to learn Android, you must know what there? Java programming language. Leave it. Go for SAP, SAP now. There also be what is required now. Again, Java is required. Then go for like what there? Some other. See, I'm telling to you clearly. 99% of the products in software industry, in a software side, 99% of the products, either directly or indirectly, are dependent on what there? Core Java. Now tell me. Now tell me. J2SE is not only for Java developers. J2SE is a dependent platform for almost all 99% of the products in software industry or not. It means that almost all its dependency level is what the 1000% or not. That is the reason why I given that it's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000% now. Everybody understand my point here? Why? Because now I'm going to give clarity now. Why? Because it is a dependent platform for it is a dependent platform for what there J2EE development, J2EE application development. That means enterprise application development, J2EE application development. Next one is what there mobile application development, mobile application development. Not only that, other technologies like what there testing tools like what there and might be like what there Selenium, like what there testing tools. After that, Salesforce, maybe Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. Just only some of them I listed here, and so on and so on. So many technologies are available. 99% of the software products are designed on the top of what there Java. That is what there J2SE. Then you may think about one more point. Sir, Python is available there, right? As a competition for Java, Python is available there, right? I want to go for Python where Java dependency is not required. Yeah, really Java dependency is not required. But unfortunately, one rumor was created in outside. If you want to learn Python, first you have to learn Java. People are giving this wrong statement actually. Yeah, as a Java developer, as a taught about Python also previously. I took number of batches for Python also, but really I'm telling there, to learn Python, Java is not required. To learn Python, Java is not at all required. Really, I'm confirming that. As I teach both the concepts here. Previously, I took classes for Python also. Almost a number of batches I have discussed it there. Right? But still I'm telling there, to learn Python, Java is not required. But one point I can say now. If you learn Java, then if you go for Python, dead simple. Dead easy. If you learn Python and if you want to come to the Java, too much difficult. Understand, guys, what I'm telling you? A simple example. If you drive a bike in Hyderabad, you can drive at any place else in outside. If you drive a car or bike in outside, and if you want to drive it in Hyderabad, it's too much difficult. You can understand it now, how the traffic is going on, how the culture is going on in Hyderabad now. The point is what there, if you learn Java, it simplifies every technology in outside. You can learn everything in outside easily. But if you learn Python and if you want to learn Java, not at all possible. So there also the relation here I'm providing there. Understand my point clearly now? So finally, all together, what's the point I'm telling to you? Java is a basic platform for every software engineer. If you learn Java, your remaining part of the software life will be very simple. Without Java, definitely you are going to have what there some struggles in outside. They are the best examples. They are the best examples. Nowadays, if we go for an interview, every interviewer is asking one question: do you have knowledge in any one programming language? If you say yes, then which programming language? If you say other than Java, they will not accept it. No. If you know Java, then they will continue interview. Yeah, this thing is going on. Directly they're asking there, do you know any programming language? Yes. Which programming language? If we say, I know C programming language, no, I will not. If you know Java, yes, you can continue. Then you will continue the interview. Yeah, that is the importance of Java here. That's okay, fine. Now observe carefully. So finally, it's a direct utilization is only 5%. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%. Understand the point clearly? What I'm telling you now. All right, sir. Now these are the various points we have to understand. Now people are asking to me one question there. Sir, only core Java is enough to get a job in outside? No, no, not at all. If you ask the same question 7 to 8 years back, no, I can say yes. 7 to 8 or 10 years back, if you ask the same question, core Java is enough to get a job? No, yes, core Java is sufficient 10 years back. But now my answer is what there? No. Full stack Java. If you want to get job immediately, only the option is what there? Full stack Java. Everybody must have knowledge on what there? Full stack Java. Especially in Java stream, what is required there? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. These 7 topics here we require. Is a standardization I'm telling there, not temporary solution. If you want to see your career in the next 30 years of time in the software industry, in Java side, these many technologies here we have to learn. Is only Java. But related to this Java, Oracle or maybe UI or different DevOps, different technologies there we have to understand. That's a full stack Java. There are nearly 13 to 14 subjects are available that we have to learn. Leave it. Now let's move on to the point here. Now finally, let us conclude the points here. Tell me, all of you know, tell me what is J2ESE? Come on, what is J2ESE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide? Only fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, what applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. What is standalone application? Prepare and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Examples for standalone applications, no? Calculator, calendar, paintbrush, and so on. How many applications are standalone applications? No, 5%. But its dependency level is what there? 1000%. Why? Because it's a dependent programming language for Selenium testing, Salesforce, Hadoop, SAP related tools, and J2EE applications, and so on and so on and so on and so on. 99% of the software products are dependent on the Java either directly or indirectly. They're the points that we understood. Right, sir. This is about like what there J2ESE. Here we understood. And the next one is like what there J2EE. Right, sir. All of you understand this point? No, J2EE or Java EE. Yes, observe carefully. Few points, small points only. Now observe carefully. First of all, what is J2EE or Java EE abbreviations if we take no? Very simple. J2SE is what? Java 2 standard edition, right? Now it is what there? Java 2 enterprise edition. Tell me guys, what is it no? Java 2 enterprise edition. J2SE has provided only fundamentals of the Java. Am I right or not? J2SE has provided only fundamentals of the Java. But J2EE will provide server-side programming. J2 will provide what? Server-side programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Am I right or not? Similarly, by using server-side programming, what type of applications here we are going to prepare? What type of applications here we are able to prepare? If you observe this clearly, J2EE can be used to prepare distributed applications. What type of applications there? Distributed applications or an enterprise applications. Distributed applications are what there? Enterprise applications. Yes. Before going to explore this distributed applications or enterprise applications, first of all, tell me what is standalone applications or not? Tell me. What is the meaning of standalone application? Already we understood that. If we prepare and execute any application without using client-server architecture, am I right or not? Let's observe carefully. If we design and execute any application by using client-server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application or an enterprise application. That's it. All of you are getting clarity? What is the meaning of this enterprise application or distributed application? If we prepare any application on the basis of client-server architecture, if we execute any application by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what? Distributed application or an enterprise application. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. What's the point here I'm telling you? Know? Right, sir. Now here, see this, I'm going to give a simple diagram for it. For example, this is my client. Right, sir. Now, like what there, this is my server. Client and server. Two machines are available. Now observe carefully. This is one computer. Simply speaking, this is one machine. This is another machine, another computer. Nice. Now inside this, there is a protocol, for example. Protocol in the sense network. We can understand it now. Network is available. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now at client mission, there is a program, client program. At server mission, there is a program, server mission. This is the meaning of distributing application logic over multiple missions. Now here I have written, this is application logic here. Now here also be application logic. This is application logic. Now tell me, my application logic is distributed over multiple missions, not like in a single mission, in multiple missions. But what is going to be happen actually when we provide this, when we execute both the applications, what is going to be happen? First request will be submitted to the server. Request will be submitted to the server. Now protocol will carry that request. This is protocol. Network in the sense what there? Protocol. Protocol in the sense network. Network will carry that request. Network will send that request to the server side program. The network will carry that request to the server side program. Now server side program will be executed. By the execution of this server side program, automatically some response will be generated. That response will be provided to the protocol. When response is given to the protocol, protocol will carry that response to the respective client. Now client is able to get response from what there? Protocol or network. All of you understand it clearly. Now observe carefully. Now I'm going to give clarity. Now okay, this is like what there? Request. Now this is like what the request. This is like what the request. Now here we are getting like what their response. Now this is like what the response. Now the request is processed at server side application. Now this is response. Now here I'm telling that this is client actually. Now this is like what their server. Okay. Now client application, client side program is what their client application. This is client application. Server side program is what their server application. Server application. That's it. Now we can understand it now. When we execute this application, client will send a request to the network. Now I'm going to give clarity. This is like what their network or internet or protocol or whatever it may be at present. No, when we submit a request, that request will come toward their network. Network will carry that request toward their server side program. Server side program will be executed. Server side program will give a response. That response will be given to the protocol or network. Network will carry that response to the client. Client machine will take that request. It's almost all equal to your Gmail. Open the browser www.gmail.com, client side program. Click on enter button. Request will go to server side program. Now server side program will take that request, will identify the login page. It will send that login page as a response to the respective client. That's it. Example I'm telling there. Not exactly the same point, no, but approaches are going to be different in the future. No, I'll discuss in the future. Don't worry for it. Now this is about like what their client server application, where my application logic is distributed over multiple machines. This type of examples are called as what their distributed applications or enterprise applications. Everybody understand the point clearly? What I'm telling you, this is about like what there. All right, sir. Now just I'm going to give this diagram also. Now try to understand it clearly. What is distributed application here? We understood. That's okay, fine. Tell me some examples for it now. Now I'm telling to you, observe carefully, 95% of the applications are distributed applications in outside. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Examples I'm telling to you, now observe carefully. Everywhere, in every domain, in every vertical, distributed applications are going on. In every platform, in every domain, everywhere, what applications are going on? Distributed applications are available. Say for example, all banking applications are distributed applications. Take your ICICI bank application, net banking we are doing now. Axis Bank, net banking we are doing there. All these are what their applications, distributed applications only. ICICIbank.com, request will go to what there? ICICI server. ICICI server side application will identify your request. It will send some response to you, like what their home page, where net banking option, if you click there, again another request is submitted to what there? ICICI Bank server side application, where it will provide like what their net banking, like what there something else, some page, net banking page there, it is providing. Where if you select what their fund transfer or transfer funds, then again another page here we are able to get. Everything is going on request response mode only. Best example. All banking applications are like what they're distributed applications. Next one is all social network applications are what they're distributed applications. Gmail.com, Facebook.com, YouTube, and all the applications. Insta maybe all the applications are what they're distributed applications only. Next one is what they're all healthcare applications or healthcare domain are what they're distributed application. In India, healthcare domain is not good. But in outside of India, healthcare domain is very good. Government will manage it. Government have to manage that. But in India, slowly that approach is coming there. Understand the point here, what I'm telling them. This one, after completion of this, what next one here? All may be transportations. Transportation applications are like what they're health, that means distributed applications only. Understand my point clearly. All the food delivery applications are what they're distributed applications only. All e-commerce applications are what they're distributed applications only. Understand my point clearly. And so on and so on and so on. Every domain if you take nowadays, everywhere if you take now, everywhere we are able to get what they're distributed applications only. Sir, I'll forget my point or not? Leave this one. So this is about like what they're J2EE or Java EE. Simple, very simple here I'm telling you. Leave this content here. After that, after completion of this J2EE or Java EE, this point here, the third one is like what there? J2ME or Java ME. Guys, observe carefully. The last one, third option here, I'm telling to you, J2ME or Java ME. Let us understand only few points about J2ME, not too many number of points now. First of all, abbreviation here we have to understand J2ME or Java ME. If you observe this, Java 2 micro edition. In general, people are saying that mobile edition. No, it's not mobile edition. It is what there? Micro edition. That's nice. What it will provide? What micro edition will provide? Already we are aware about it. J2SE will provide fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will provide server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME will provide micro programming, chip level programming, micro programming. By using J2SE, we can prepare standalone applications. By using J2EE, we can prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. Similarly, J2ME can be used to prepare mobile-based applications. J2ME can be used to prepare what applications? No, mobile-based applications. If we prepare and execute any application without using client-server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that application is called what? Standalone application. Quite opposite of that is what their distributed application. If you prepare any application, if you execute any application on the basis of client-server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? That application is a distributed application. Then similarly, what is this mobile-based application? What is the meaning of this mobile-based application? Observe carefully. If we design and execute any application on the mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application on what? Mobile hardware, not a normal system hardware, mobile hardware, then that application is called a mobile based application. Right, sir. Now tell me, how many applications are mobile based applications nowadays? No, 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications, no doubt for that. How many applications are mobile based applications? No, 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications. Tell me some examples for these mobile based applications. No, in every domain mobile support is available, mobile app support is available. Say for example, your Swiggy, for example, 2 days once or 3 days once we are giving some orders there in Swiggy or Zomato. All these are what there? Mobile apps only. In mobile application, if you open mobile application, Swiggy app you install there. If you open your mobile there, every icon what you are seeing there, mobile application only. Facebook directly we are getting it now. YouTube directly we are getting it. Am I right or not? Right, sir. Banking sector maybe number of iMobile app is available from ICICI. Axis Open is available from what their Axis Bank, like this. If you take like what their other applications like what their network application, network based, that means communication providers now. Airtel app is available. Jio app is available. My Jio app is available. My cinemas are available there. Jio cinemas or something else is available. All these are what their mobile based applications. So 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications. No need to go for any example. But remember this clearly. I am giving one point here. Mobile application development has very good demand. Mobile application development has very good demand in outside. It has very good demand, no doubt for that. But J2ME has not having any demand. J2ME is not having demand in outside. J2ME is almost all dead. Directly I'm telling there. Nowadays nobody is using this J2ME. Everybody is using some alternatives. Android maybe, iPhone maybe, Swift maybe, different mobile based technologies are available. Mobile based platforms are available. Everybody is using that advanced technologies only. Nobody is using what they? Nobody is using this J2ME part. Because of that reason, nowadays, at least nowadays, what happened? If you touch any Java developer, tell me what topics are available in Java. They used to say J2SE, J2EE. That's it. Even they didn't remember J2ME. They didn't know about what their J2ME. They are not aware about it. But it is one of the parts inside the Java. Yeah, nobody. They don't require that. Why? Because no demand is available for it now. That's it. Because of that reason, J2SE and J2EE, majorly here we have to understand. The remaining concepts are J2ME is not at all required. Guys, this is exactly the concepts here what I am telling to you. Java and its parts totally. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my points or not clearly now? Okay. Then after this is the basic introduction part here. After completion of this diagram, then syllabus already I given in the document here. Just visit one time here the total content what I am going to discuss there in core Java. So now once we completed this part here, already in the first class I given full stack Java introduction, full stack Java content here. Now I need to start what their core Java topic here we have to start. In this total full stack Java, core Java, I'm going to start. Okay. Right, sir. Then in core Java, the total syllabus here are listed here in the same document. Or else maybe after completion of this class, you'll get a WhatsApp message. In that WhatsApp message, the total full stack Java document you are able to get. Nearly 60-page document you are able to get. That is the total syllabus. If you open it, you can check the syllabus, what you are going to be covered in full stack Java. Then we are able to get much clarity on it. Okay. Right, sir. This is okay, fine. In the next class, I want to start this core Java directly, introduction part now. In introduction part, directly I am going to start Java history. Few minutes of time. Then after that, why Java over the C and C++. Few points I am going to discuss. After that, how to write the Java programs. What is the structure we have to follow to write Java programs. After that, Java naming conventions. Then after that, how to download Java software and how to download Java software, how to install it and how to write Java program, how to compile it and how to execute it. All the remaining steps there we are going to understand. Right? This is the process here what I am going to follow now. Right? So can I take the session on tomorrow? Right? I want to stop here itself and tomorrow I'm going to take this session. Please remember it. Few classes I'm going to take at 7:30 max. In the future I'm going to take these classes at 6 or 6:30. I think already last class I given intimation. Again now also I'm giving that information there. After a few days of time, not immediately, I'm going to start your classes maybe at least 6 or 6:30 like that. I'm going to take the classes now. Please recognize this point, Why? Because then I need to speed up the content here. I have some process here. I want to take this class. It's a confirmation. Right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at what time? 7:30 only. Tomorrow 7:30 only. After a few days of time, I'll give that information to you. From which date onwards, I'm going to take your class at 6:30. Right? Right. Sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow at 7:30. Fine. Yeah, data structures not possible. There is some other trainers are taking the data structures now. Pallavi ma'am, I think Prakash sir is taking the data structures classes. Just please check once with our admin people. They'll give more clarity on it. Okay. Right. So then I took What are the new topics? Yeah, so that I can join for the topics. Okay. Yeah, guys. Then I think so. Then offer is going on in today. Fee structure and duration, guys. Then Prajwal, our admin people will talk with you regarding that. But anyway, guys, then if you want to take these admissions here, yeah, just you can contact with this number. Nagendra is a person here. There Nagendra will give more clarity on it regarding that process now. Right, so let me know your morning batch time. I don't know, ma'am. Then my morning batch is maybe not a schedule, but I'm thinking about it in next month, second week onwards. Next month, second week onwards, I'm planning to take it, but not immediately, right? I'll plan for it next month, second week max. Take classes, post demo classes starting from 6 p.m. Yeah, Sashi, then I have a proper plan for it. Then I will follow that. Don't worry for it. Okay. Normal class from July is then. Can I take full stack Java course? Yes, sure. Vivek Chaudhary, just you can take it. Don't worry for it. Okay. Yeah, without data structures, can we crack coding interviews? Definitely, Varun. Without data structures and analysis is not mandatory immediately. Okay. Will recordings will also be provided in the case not able to join. Definitely, Hemang Gupta. Definitely, every class is recorded videos will be provided to you. Don't worry for it. They're going to explain how download Java new versions. Yes, definitely, Manasam. Definitely, every setup and every version I'm going to download, I'm going to show up to you how to install it, how to work out examples on that new versions. Definitely we are able to get it. Every version, everything we are able to get it. Don't worry for it. Setups and everything. Don't worry. Yeah, guys, then fee related information, just one time you can talk with our admin people there. This is a number, concern number I'm highlighting there in the document now. Just take that number and you can make a call to us, call to our admin people. And I think so today there is an offer. Today is the last day for this offer for full stack Java. Just one time talk with our admin people there. Aruna ma'am, then if you want to attend even 3 to 4 courses parallelly, it's okay. Maximum we are able to finish it, but still 3 months of time may not be sufficient to complete it. It may take some time, more time it will take. Aruna ma'am, just think about it. Within 3 months of it may not be completed. And then better to take core Java or maybe 1 or 2 courses. That will be good thing. All your Java classes will be between 6 to 9. Exactly. Warren, then all my Java classes are going in at 6 to 9 p.m. only. Sure. Yeah, Abhishek, then what we are asking there? I think you're not giving any question. Abhishek, just yeah. Any advice for someone who wants to do core Java certification? From which version he needs to do? I think so. At present, up to 17th version. 17th version is suggestible as of now. Abhishek, 17th version is suggestible. Previously might be 11th version we suggested there. Now 17th version is okay. If it is possible, if it is available, we can go ahead. Now nowadays in industry, 17th version is going to be utilized. Previously 11th version, now at present 17th version. If it is possible, then better do that 17th version of the Java. Okay. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah, guys. Anything else? Parallel to Java, what courses I have to learn in full stack Java? Then definitely Oracle you can start. Then apart from this Oracle UI technologies you can start. Next was DevOps we can start. AWS DevOps that we can start. These technologies we can start. These 3 technologies we can start along with Java. Like what there, Oracle and UI technologies. Like what there. Apart from these DevOps, AWS, Linux, and these courses you can start. Yeah, Ashish, just one time talk with our admin people. I think today is a last day for offer actually. One time talk with our admin people, they will give clarity on it. Ashish. Yeah, I think today offer is going on for full stack. Just talk with our admin people there one time. They'll give more clarity. I don't like to discuss about money related things inside the classes now. In between you and me, only technology is the relationship, not like money and all these things. No. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, anything else? Shall we meet on tomorrow? No response, guys. Then people are not giving any information. No questions. Shall we meet on tomorrow? If all of you say yes, then we'll shut down and we'll attend in tomorrow's session. Thank you, Arno. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Manasa. Thanks. Good. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Thank you. Which version of Java we will cover? Up to 22nd version of Sheikh. 22nd version of the Java will cover. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Likita. Thank you. Salish Power. Thank you. Abhishek. Thank you. Guys, all of you, please, all of you, if you left from the go to webinar, then I will leave it. Guys, then how many sessions now? So that depends on full stack Java 6 to that is minimum 7 to 8 months, 6 to 7 months of time it will take. No, sir. Actually, I took full stack Java package from Microsoft online. What are new topics you added so that I can join for that topics? Can you please intimate? Definitely, Sairaj, definitely I'll give intimation to you. Yeah, when I'm going to take new classes, then definitely I'll give intimation to you. Know, right? Sure. Java new versions features. I'll give intimation to you. Know. Don't worry. No, okay. Yeah, thank you, Sairaj. Thanks a lot. Guys, remaining members also. If all of you are okay, then I'll shut down. If all of you leave. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 7:30, we'll have the class. Thank you.